In this video, I'm going to teach you the card fan. To learn the card fan, I would suggest using a new deck of cards. That way it's much easier to learn. If you use an old deck of cards like this, then it's a lot harder. Okay, it is not impossible, but I would suggest a new deck of cards. The position of the thumb determines how big or how small your fan would be. If your thumb is right here in the middle, then your fan will be very small because the thumb acts as a pivot point. If your thumb is at the bottom and near the middle, it will look like this, okay, which is the normal thumb fan. And of course, if it's right at the bottom left-hand corner, it will look something like this. Okay, so entirely up to you how it wants to look like. Now, to perform the thumb fan, you need to use your thumb, index finger and middle finger to hold the cards this way. Okay, the rest of the fingers will extend like that. Your index finger and thumb of the other hand is to hold the cards this way, okay, on the top edge of the card. Not really right on the top, maybe somewhere around here. Leave about 1 cm gap from the top. Next thing you want to do is to try and bevel the cards this way, okay, this way, alright. Now you start off like this, in this position, but before you fan, you want to move the whole deck into your thumb crouch, so it gives it a bigger fan, okay? How you do that? Very simply, put the cards in this way. Now your fingers will be in a weird position and that's fine, okay? Don't worry too much about it. And then in a swift motion, perform the thumb fan like this, okay? So using your thumb to kind of spread the cards around the pivot point. So one more time from a different angle, index finger and thumb. Insert the cards into the crotch of the thumb like this. Thumb and the rest of the fingers are straightened. And this is what the thumb does. Look. And the rest of the fingers are here. Now to close the fan, use your index finger, bottom up this way, and square the cards. Another method, from the top, okay, inwards like this, and square the cards. And the last one is to use these fingers to kind of curl the cards in. Now it cannot be done on this plane, but the idea is to curl the cards in like this and square the cards. It has to be done on this plane like this, okay? Curl the cards in and square the cards. So if you can't get a thumb fan in the first few days, please don't give up because it takes a little bit of practice and applying the right amount of pressure on both hands, the hand that's holding the deck and the hand that is fanning the cards, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like, save, share, follow, subscribe, do everything you need to help me. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.